What if you could make a soft Biscoff cake in just one mug? And the best part, what if it only took about a minute to cook? Today we're making a soft Biscoff mug cake that's rich, cozy, and perfect for quick dessert cravings. No oven, no mixer, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Sounds easy, right? First, grab a microwave-safe mug. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives the cake its soft and fluffy structure. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar for sweetness. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely. And add a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Give everything a quick mix so the baking powder spreads evenly throughout the flour. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Pour in 4 tablespoons of milk to keep the cake soft and moist. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil or melted butter for richness. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you like that warm bakery flavor. Stir everything together until the batter becomes smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no dry flour pockets hiding at the bottom. Now for the star ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of creamy Biscoff spread. Then add 1 crushed Biscoff cookie. Stir everything together until the Biscoff blends into the batter. This gives the cake that delicious caramel spiced cookie flavor in every bite. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 60 to 70 seconds. Watch as the batter rises and turns into a soft sponge cake. The top should look set but still soft. Be careful not to overcook so the cake stays moist. Let the cake rest for about 1 minute. This helps the texture settle and makes the cake even softer. Now let's make a quick Biscoff drizzle. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of Biscoff spread with 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Stir until it becomes smooth and pourable. Drizzle this creamy Biscoff sauce all over the warm mug cake. Thank you for watching from different places around the world. Where are you watching this video from? Finish with crushed Biscoff cookies and a small spoon of Biscoff spread on top. Doesn't that look irresistible? And there you have it. A warm, fluffy Biscoff mug cake packed with caramel cookie flavor, made in minutes. 1 mug, 1 spoon, and the perfect quick dessert whenever a sweet craving hits. For more easy mug cake recipes like this, download my printable PDF from my Etsy shop. Link in bio.